Okay, we're looking at conducting a multi-null hypothesis test at alpha equal to 0.05. And we haven't done one that where all categories were equally likely yet, so I thought this would be a good one to do. So your null is the distribution categories are equally likely, and the alternative is that the distribution categories are not equally likely. So they don't give us n, so I have to find n. We're going to use Excel to do this by way of StatDisk. So the first thing that I'm going to do is and type these in 12, 8, 11, 22, and 21. Okay, so how many are there? There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So equally likely would be that they're multiplied by 1/5 or by 0.2, whatever you want to do. So what we'll do here is, well, we have to get a sum first of all. Just that I'll cheat here and just say sum. So n is equal to 74. Oh, didn't mean to do that. Okay. Okay, your expected frequency is going to be equal to 0.2 because, or you could do 1/5 times A7 equals 0.2 times 7 equals 0.2 times A7 equals 0.2 times A7. Okay, I'm not sure what I did here. Let me do something wrong. Let me fix that. A7 11. Which are all going to be the same because they're equally likely. Okay, equal 0.2 times 7. Okay, and that's the last one. So our expected frequency should be, how many decimal places? 3. Well, let me make sure that Excel is not rounding these off. Okay, I don't think they are, but I'll show you how to do that just in case. That's going to be to, nice, I need just a little bit more. Here we go, I gotta get another. Let me hit on all these. Okay, yeah, they're all gonna be 14.8. Okay, well, we'll see what this gives us. Okay, and let's just look at the data. That's not too far off. That one's iffy. Not too far. That one's kind of far off, and that one is too. Is it statistically significantly off to where that the distributions are not equally distributed or equally likely? It's going to be, just looking at for me, we only have these numbers are low. It takes into account a lot of stuff. So let me bring up StatDist. So I'd be hesitant to even say what to do. Okay. We got StatDist telling us what to do. Let's go here and we're going to do sample editor and we're going to clear it. I'm going to, I'll try to do both at the same time. Copy, Control V. Okay, got them in there. And goodness if it unequal, so we have to change this. These are equal, so let's go here. Bring it back to analysis. Goodness if it unequal, or equal. Sorry, equal. Her alpha level is 0.05. Observed is 1. Okay. I think I can minimize that for now. If they're equal, they're only giving us the, we'll have to do the one observed column versus, so we'll look at the second one that's going to be equal, so I'm giving that. Chi-square is equal to 10.72973. P is equal to 0.02978. So yeah, I guess it is we're going to, because P is less than alpha, we are going to reject the null and say that they're not equally likely. So let's see what we got here. Chi-squared. How many places? 3. No, it is 10.730. Degrees of freedom. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So K minus 1 is 4, which it tells you that here. P value 0.029. Need 4 places, 98. Okay. P is less than or equal to alpha. Alpha is 0.05. And we are going to reject the null in favor of the alternative. Okay, so there is sufficient evidence that they're not all equally likely. Yeah, so that would be this one here. Okay. Everything okay? No X's. Okay, let me know if you have any questions. Thanks.